If you're new to investing in 2026, choosing the right broker can feel confusing. There are hundreds of platforms, different fees, different rules, different promises. So today, I'll make this simple. In this video, I'll explain why Trading212 is the best broker for beginners in 2026 and why millions of new investors are choosing it over traditional platforms. Let's get started. Why beginners struggle. Most beginners make the same mistake. They choose a broker that is too complicated, too expensive, or designed for professionals, not beginners. Complex charts, hidden fees, minimum deposits, all of that creates fear. And fear stops people from investing. This is where Trading212 is different. What is Trading212? Trading212 is an online investment platform used by millions of people worldwide. It allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, fractional shares, all from one simple app. No complicated setup, no confusing menus. You can start investing in minutes. Reason number 1, zero commission. The number one reason beginners love Trading212 is simple. Zero commission trading. That means no fees to buy stocks, no fees to sell stocks, no monthly account fees. If you invest $100, all $100 goes into your investment. This is huge for beginners because fees destroy small accounts. Reason number 2, fractional shares. Many beginners think investing is expensive. They believe you need thousands of dollars. That's not true with Trading212. You can buy fractional shares. That means you don't need to buy a full Amazon share. You don't need to buy a full Apple share. You can invest with as little as $1. This makes investing accessible to everyone. Reason number 3, extremely easy to use. Trading212 is built for beginners. The app is clean, simple, easy to understand. You can see your portfolio, your profit and loss, your dividends, all in one place. No financial background required. If you can use a smartphone, you can use Trading212. Reason number 4, long-term investing tools. Trading212 is perfect for long-term investors. You can create pies, automatically rebalance investments, set recurring deposits. This helps beginners stay consistent. And consistency is how wealth is built, not day trading, not guessing, but long-term investing. Reason number 5, strong regulation and safety. Safety matters. Trading212 is regulated in multiple countries and follows strict financial rules. Client funds are kept separate. Your money is protected. This gives beginners peace of mind, and peace of mind is priceless. Who should use Trading212? Trading212 is perfect if you are a complete beginner, a long-term investor, someone with a small starting budget, someone who wants simplicity. It may not be ideal for professional day traders, high-frequency traders, but for beginners, it's one of the best platforms available in 2026. So why does Trading212 win in 2026? Because it removes fear, complexity, high fees, and replaces them with simplicity, accessibility, confidence. If you're just starting your investing journey, Trading212 gives you the best chance to succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more investing content made simple. And remember, the best time to start investing is today. Thanks for watching.